We're back in Boracay, but this time I'm here with my family, and we're excited to spend a relaxing vacation together here on the island. Today we're staying at Vilus Place located along Diniwid Road, Boracay, at the end of Station 1 and it's walking distance to Diniwid Beach. If you're looking for a peaceful and relaxing place to stay in Boracay, this might be perfect for you. So this is their family room located at the ground floor and it can accommodate up to 6 persons. Upon entering the room later, the first thing I noticed was how good and fresh the place smelled. Everything feels clean, cozy, and very homey. Over here, they have a double deck bed that can comfortably sleep two persons. Then, beside it is the living room area where you can relax and bond with family after exploring the island. They also have a dining and kitchen area complete with an electric kettle, induction stove, and complete utensils. They also provide free coffee, sugar, creamer, and bottled water, which is really convenient, especially for family stays. Now let's check out the bedroom. This room has two queen size beds and a television. The beddings are very fragrant and clean. Actually, all the linens smell fresh and aromatic, which made our stay extra comfortable. And of course, let's check the bathroom. Because honestly, every time I book a place, I always check the bathroom review first. Thankfully, the water pressure here is super strong, which I really love. They also provide complete toiletries, clean towel, there's even a vault inside the cabinet for your valuables. We stayed here for 2 nights, and I can really say the towels and bedding stayed very clean and fragrant throughout our stay. Another thing I appreciate is how approachable and helpful the staff are, including the owner. They made us feel very welcome and comfortable during our stay. And once you step outside, it's only around 4 minutes going to City Mall. Right now, we're about to head to the food market in Bulabog Beach to try different food around Boracay.
Peki ma'am.
Gusto niyo bang marinig ang mga kwento? Gusto niyo bang malaman ngayon ito? Gusto niyo bang...
Good morning, everyone. Today we're walking to Diniwid Beach, and it's literally just a 2 minute walk from Vilus Place. The area here is very peaceful and relaxing compared to the busier parts of Boracay, which makes it perfect if you want a quiet stay. Pag naghahanap kayo ng ma-braid, hanapin niyo lang si Ate Gina. Yan.
Attorney Gina.
Ay, ang ganda. Bongga. Bongga kaday. Ito mga design. Yan, pili kayo. Mga design. We also met a tourist guide who explained about the algae here in Boracay. He said that algae is actually natural and not a dirt. It's beneficial to the beach ecosystem, and during hot and dry weather, algae becomes more visible, which also helps maintain Boracay's beautiful white sand. So, if you happen to see algae on the beach, don't worry because it's completely normal and part of nature here in Boracay.
Kusa siya na ano? Tutunaw. Tunaw. Na turn.
O ka-try ka ni siya, try na. Pag ikaw mo ni, ibalik sa dagat, gabuhi.
Ay,
Oh,
Gabalik
sino
green?
sila da?
gabalik green.
So wala pinapabayad lang o may nakakuha
Ay
ganyan.
kung iba na nakuha, tapos i-stack lang da, tapos bala na sa
Madry.
mag-dry sa init.
Init.
Yan ba sa muna mo ni na gapasamad sa Boracay ang green kuno ay normal.
Lagyan mo.
Ayan guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Puka Beach. So dati, 2014, kailangan pang sumakay ng bangka. Ngayon, yan o. You can walk here going sa Puka Beach. And, crystal clear water.
Magpalitson ka to. Grabe. Grabe na sulog, no?